and fun. I've been making many videos of this, and you can't do it more than stuff. I'm tired of making nonsense videos with, oh, I lost everything. And my stuff is all over here. And, don't tiny water again. Wait. I'm gonna do this and, oh, it looks so cute. It's bigger than a flower, which is supposed to help. And it's like a bit more bigger than one of the seeds. It's like what? It's like a grain of the seeds. And what kind of seed is that anyways? Give me that. A broccoli seed. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. I'm gonna eat some goats. I'm gonna eat some goats. Have fun. Last one was a bit too cringy because I made wood with a diamond pickaxe and then burned the pickaxe. And yeah, enjoy. Give me that thing. You better not cry until I die, dude. I don't even care. And I might end this video a bit more earlier because you might not want to see the cringy monstrosity because there's a lot of cringy stuff that I made. And there's another one. Just kidding, there isn't. You probably couldn't take it anymore. But I can make more cringes if you want more cringing. I bet some of you like more cringing than usual. And then you're gonna say, yeah, this is the only funny sound that I can find in my voice. Well, not really only sound. I have other sounds. Like 20, 30, 230 sounds that I figured out how to make. And I'm not lying. I'm gonna break this. It's gonna take ages. What? How? So it's basically stone. Or if it is wood. Or if it is, it's in the middle. Little bit, Sebastian, that I put. Keep on, I play the binder, dude. That is not a spider. I am going home. Oh, and beware of the stuff thing. Cash. Only 5 money we got. Yep. Okay, the brick block. Good. And this is just me and you. Okay. Truck. I wonder what the next year is gonna be like. New movie. The weird girl that smells weird. Gonna put the giant cat thing in. I think it's a raccoon, or red raccoon, or ginger raccoon. Oh, it's a dairy cow. Get off that cow! This is teaching you not to treat animals this way because your beef that you. Did it just drop coffee? I think it dropped coffee. Oh, wait, never mind. I think it's gonna get a bit glitchy. Maybe it's gonna glitch when I whistle. And I meant to whistle something else. Well, it's probably definitely going to whistle terribly. And I don't even think I'm gonna know what it is through the technology electronic thing. Well, it's just the phone. Okay. Murdered. Gotta get out of it. Die, bitches. I'm gonna get off you. Shit. Onions? Is that an onion? Oh. Yeah. Live on, boy.